So I'll be showing you how I make these bow ties. Well, it can be a bow tie, it can be a hair bow, whatever you want to make it. First things first, I use stretchy fabric and I use this interfacing that I got from Hobby Lobby.
It's like a flat side and then it's like the bubbly side. The bubbly side should go up.
Okay, like I said in the last clip, the bubbles should be facing up. You should be looking at the bubbles. Then you just want to place your fabric right on top of it. And the reason for interfacing is so the bow or the fabric, it doesn't be super soggy. And the bow, it can just sit up on its own basically. Without the interfacing, the bow will be super soggy and sagging and it won't look really cute at all. And the paper is my blueprint or pattern. You can make it smaller or bigger. It just depends on what you want. Keeping in mind that the fabric is on top of the interfacing, you just want to wet it and iron, wet it and iron. And now I'm just cutting it out. And once you're done with that, you want to fold it hot dog style and then sew it. Then turn it inside out and make sure the seams are in the middle. Position it however you want it to be positioned, and then we're gonna turn it and sew it, or fold it and sew it. When you're folding it over, make sure the seams are outside, not inside, outside. So a quick story time that's really not a story time since the fly want to get in my freaking video. So today, the people that replaced the HVAC system in the house, well, that's outside the house, but they had to like look around the house or like check the house to make sure it's blowing everywhere. And they just left the door wide open, both the regular door and the screen door. Like, it was so many flies. It was ridiculous. And we weren't allowed to be in the house at the time, so I couldn't say shut the door. I had to delete some stuff. I couldn't say shut the door. So next, you just want to get some string, and then you just want to wrap it however you want to wrap it. That's why it's so fun to sew, because you can do what you want. Whatever looks good, you do it that way. Like, don't ask so many questions. Just do it. Just try it. I promise it's not as hard as it seems. If you actually just try it out, I promise anybody can do this. Just don't overthink it. Now making the little piece that goes in the middle of the bow. So it's right sides together, and then you just want to sew it hot dog style. And right here, I'm just showing you how I turn it inside out, because I don't know how to use no loop turner. Like, I tried a million times and I had it since 2020, and I still cannot understand how people use loop turners. And I've watched so many videos. So I just use this freaking safety pin. Now I'm just placing it however I want to place it, and I'm making sure I stretch it a bit, and then I'm just gonna hot glue the back and cut off the extra fabric. So that's the end of this tutorial, and I made the little belts. Well, there were already belts sent to me, so I can just put the fabric on, but I can show y'all a video of that as well. If y'all want that, y'all can just let me know. So make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.